Woo! Wait! Who dares awaken my slumber? Oh, it's you. Ah, right. So, my name is Miko, known as the Wise Man.
For the Empire Dynasty.
Right. So today, I will be discussing about structure. Do you know about that? Right, you don't know. So, plant cell. Wait, where's my paper? Right. Let me show you the magic. There it is. Cell structure. So this is the cell structure. Now, first is cell wall. Cell wall, this is a rigid outermost layer of a plant cell. It makes the cell stiff, providing the cell with mechanical support and giving it protection. Animal cells do not have cell walls. So of course, this is what it's like to be a cell wall. It's like a cell wall, you see? Never mind. Second, is cell membrane. This is the cell membrane. Now, cell membrane, this is a protective layer that surrounds every cell and separates it in external environment. It is found just inside the cell wall and is made up of complex lipids known as fats and proteins. Now third is Golgi Apparatus. Okay, Golgi Apparatus. It is a membrane-bound organelle found in most cells. It is responsible for packaging proteins into vesicles prior to secretion and therefore plays a key role in the secretory pathway. Fourth is chloroplast. Chloroplast contains a green pigment that traps sunlight and converts it into sugars by a process called photosynthesis. The sugars are a source of energy for the plants and the animals that eat them. Fifth is vacuole membrane. So, vacuoles. These are large membrane enclosed compartments that store toxic waste as well as useful products, such as water. These are mainly found in plants. Next is graphite crystals. Graphite crystals are sharp needle-shaped crystals of calcium oxalate found in various tissues including leaves, roots, shoots, fruits whatsoever, of wide varieties of plant species. Have they thought to play defensive roles against herbivores without detailed bioassays for their defensive roles and modes of functions, using purified graphites, usually to defend itself using sharp needles in its leaves. Next is Druce crystals. Druce crystal. A druce is a group of crystals of calcium oxalate, silicates or carbonates present in plants, and are thought to be a defensive against herbivory due to their toxicity. Next is Mitochondrion. Mitochondrion, plural mitochondria. This is the powerhouse of the cell. It converts the energy stored in the food, sugar and fat into energy-rich molecules that the cell can use, usually act like a fuel generated. Yes. Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a thick, aqueous solution in which the organelles are found. Substances such as salts, nutrients, minerals, and enzymes are dissolved in the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm acts as a buffer and protects the genetic material of the cell and also the cellular organelles from damage caused due to the movement and collision with other cells.
Next is Golgi vesicles.
Golgi vesicle, a membrane-bound body that forms by budding from the Golgi apparatus. It contains proteins such as digestive enzymes, and migrates to the cell membrane. Golgi apparatus is responsible for transporting, modifying, and packaging proteins and lipids into vesicles for delivery to target destinations.
Next is ribosome. Ribosomes. These are little round structures that produce proteins. They are found in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Next is smooth or small endoplasmic reticulum. Small endoplasmic reticulum. It has no ribosomes, so it has no support in producing proteins, but it serves important functions, particularly in the synthesis, folding, modification, and transporting of proteins. Next is Nucleolus. Nucleolus is the most conspicuous domain of the eukaryotic cell nucleus, whose main function is the ribosomal RNA synthesis and ribosome biogenesis. Next is nucleus. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. It contains DNA, the genetic material that directs all the activities of the cell. Only eukaryotic cells have nuclei, plural for nucleus. Next is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is covered with ribosomes, so its general function is to produce proteins for the rest of the cell to function. Next, large central vacuole. Large central vacuole is surrounded by its own membrane and contains water and dissolved substances. Its primary goal is to maintain pressure against the inside of the cell wall, giving the cell shape and helping it to support the plant. Next, Ameloplast. Ameloplasts are a type of plastid, double-envelope organelles in plant cells that are involved in various biological pathways.
Now, that's all the plant cell structures I discussed. If you still don't understand, then go back to from the start of the video. Then, if you want more questions, then ask my almighty Google. They can answer you all the questions you want. Now, I have no time left. I gotta go back to my slumber and sleep.